Hello dear learners, today we are learning about finding the LCM of 8 and 12. How do you find the LCM of 8 and 12? So, to find the LCM of 8 and 12, to find the LCM of 8 and 12, you start with the smallest number that can go to any of these two numbers. So the smallest number here is 2. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 12 is 6. Another smallest number is 2. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 6 is 3 times. Then the next number here should be 2. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 3, it's impossible. Therefore, you retain the 3. Then here, another smaller number here now should be 3. 1, 1. So you realize that your LCM is now being given by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This is going to give us 24. That's going to give us 24. Then you look at your choices. Which answer has 24 as its option? Choice C for cat. Choice C for cat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.